So I've seen all your drawings now. I was asking Vian that Vian, what do you like to draw most? Cartoons or something else? Flowers, animals? What do you like to draw?
Animals and birds and flowers.
Okay. All right. So that was Sahana, but what Vihan likes to draw?
Ma'am, I like to draw big blue whale.
Big blue whale. That's nice. Okay, so today there are two options. I would like to ask you that what would you choose from that? One, it is the picture of owls, okay, sitting on a tree, and we can also imagine that they are talking something and we can write down some dialogues also. One is this, and the other thing that we can draw is we can write numbers from 0 to 9 and we can turn them into pictures. Okay.
Owl. Ma'am, I want to do owl.
Owls.
I want to do numbers, ma'am.
Okay, let me ask one by one. Let me ask you one by one. So what does Vihan wants to draw? Owls?
Ma'am, numbers, ma'am. With
Numbers. Sahana, what about you? Owls or numbers?
owls.
Owls. Okay, Prithvi, what about you?
Numbers.
2 words for numbers. Okay, Gauri. Numbers. 3 words for numbers. Ishita?
Owl.
Okay, 2 words for owls and 3 for numbers. Now, Bhairav's vote is going to be the... Yes, Bhairav.
Ma'am, number.
Numbers. So 4 words was good. Number. So we will do one thing. Owls we will draw in the next class for sure. Okay.
I want to draw.
Owls we can keep it for the next class. We will draw owls. For the...
draw the numbers because
Okay, but Ishita, Sahana, the owl I'll tell you with 0 also. Okay. When we will do 0, we will make an owl with that. So we will write numbers from 0 to 9 and we will make pictures out of it. Okay. So with 0, we are going to make an owl, and rest number 9, we will make other things. So owl is also there and numbers are also there. Okay. So let's
like a family of ma'am, before we can draw a fish.
Yeah, we will see what all things can we draw. So let's begin now. And let's write our numbers in a way that we will write our numbers scattered everywhere on the paper. All right, we will not write them very near because we have to make something out of these numbers. So my number 0 is over here. This is my number 0. Please make your number 0 over here. So 0 can look like an oval, okay? Because 0 is not a circle, 0 is oval. All right.
Make an oval with this 0.
Yeah.
Ma'am, my pencil. I want to sharpen my pencil. Can you wait?
Yeah. Quickly do it, and let's do one thing now. From the next class, we will keep all our stationery ready, sharpened before our class.
Ma'am, my pencil. I have a kit for it. Ma'am, I sharp the pencil now only, but I didn't.
Did it grow? Okay, no problems. You can sharp it. Now, 0 is above, up over there. And after 0, we will write our 1 over here. So this is my number 1. Okay.
Where should we draw, ma'am?
Let's write our numbers. Gauri, this is on a sheet. Okay. Now my sheet, how is my sheet appearing on your screen? Is it like in the tall way, vertical or horizontal? You have to draw this landscape mode. Okay.
It's like a horizontal.
Yeah. So you have to.
Ma'am.
Yes. So let's draw like this only. Okay. Because that's where you can draw a bigger picture.
I'm asking that can we draw the 1 after 0 or
No. The way I am placing, just try to place that way only, because we will create a scene out of it. Okay. We will create that the picture that we are drawing from 0 is on a tree. The picture that we have drawn, we will draw from 1 is standing on the land. So that's why I'm doing like this. Now 0 is here, 1 is here, 2 can be somewhere just here. Here. This is my number 2. Okay.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
1 minute. I have more space.
You have more space. I will go to that part also, Prithvi. We have numbers till 9, so don't worry about it. Then my number 3 is, where is my number 3? My number 3 is somewhere here. Okay, this is my number 3. Now see how big numbers is ma'am writing. You have to write your numbers bigger. Okay, you have to write your numbers not very tiny small numbers. Look at the size and of the sheet and size of the numbers that ma'am is writing. So you also have to write like that. And then we have to, after 3 we will write down number 4.
Ma'am,
So number 4 can be here. Yes beta,
I don't have space.
you don't have space. We haven't drawn anything yet, Sahana. What happened? Where is the space gone?
Little space is only there in the middle.
Okay, then write down small numbers. Okay, don't make very big 0. You must have made a very big 0, 1 and 2. Look at how I have written 0, 1 and 2 on the left side only. Then 3 is here and 4 is here. I have so much of space. And
I also have.
good. And number 5 is here. This is number 5. Now write it very neatly. What is the rule of our of drawing? That first rule is that whatever you write with your pencil, color, anything that we use should be very neatly done. Okay, don't we should not use eraser a lot many times, and do it very slowly so that you don't need your erasers a lot to erase it again and again. Then we will write number 6.
Still didn't done the 3 also. Number 6 we have to draw. I was just changing my place because it was uncomfortable here.
Okay, Gauri, just start writing the numbers now. 6 I have done. Now 6. This is my number 7. Okay. Number 8. Where should I write number 8? I have to write number. Okay, let's do it till 8 only, because I think everyone is getting over with the space, no? So number 8 can be.
Ma'am, I have lots of space, ma'am.
You have a lot of space, then you can make big numbers, and you can write 9 also somewhere. I'll tell you what can we make number 9.
Ma'am, I have
Fine. So let's write down. So far, let's write down till 8. Then we will see that according to the space available, we will draw more. We will write 9 also. If I have the space, I can accommodate it.
I have space.
Fine. Okay. So number 0. Are we all done now by so far?
No, ma'am. I'm still writing it.
Okay, so 1 minute. I am going to wait for everyone to finish writing numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8.
Yeah, ma'am, I done it.
Ma'am, done. Yes, Bhairav, Sahana, are you done?
Ma'am, I'm done. Ma'am, I'm done. But I have so much space. I wrote till 9.
Okay, no problems. I'll tell you what can you do with number 9 also. And how about Prithvi and Vian? Are you both done? Ishita, are you done?
Ma'am, I'm done, ma'am.
Vian is done. Ishita, how about Ishita? How about Sahana?
Done, ma'am.
Prithvi is done. Ishita is done. Okay, everyone is done writing the numbers. All right. So with number 0, let's see what are we going to create with number 0. It's so much fun, you know, to make images, to make pictures out of numbers and then turning them into a scene. So let's make a circle over here.
Ma'am, I will also draw like this. I will draw 1, 2, 3, 4. Then I will make some pictures.
Okay. So make 2 big circles joining with each other and making an eyeballs inside, making 2 eyeballs, 1 inside each, and then making a beak over here. Okay. See, what is it turning into? What do you think this is?
Owl, ma'am.
Owl. Yeah, and you know, with 0 and ovals, we can make so many things. So many pictures can be drawn with this.
Ma'am, with 1 we can draw a boat.
Let us make the wings now. This. this मैं क्या कह रही थी, एक सेकेंड.
Ma'am, what should we do with the one then? Excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am, your video is off.
Yeah, so this is, now let's make these 3 lines just to show the feet, 1, 2, and 3. Okay, and inside the wings, just make these small U shape to show the feathers of the owl. Okay, so see, now my number 0 has become an owl. And how does an owl hoots? Who knows that?
छोटा follow करना, okay?
It's okay,
It's okay, but it's okay.
Ma'am, I know, but I can't
Follow
make that sound.
Why? Try, Ishita.
Some had.
Pencil killer.
You know, owls are very wise birds. They're very wise.
It's
And-
so just ma'am, this. Like that only it's
What do
not.
you call the sound of an owl? We call it hooting sound. Okay? Hooting sound. Okay, now 1 is done. Sorry, 0 is done. Let's go to number 1. What can we draw out of number 1? Let's go ahead and let's see.
We can draw a tree.
Oh yeah, tree can also be there, but let's see what is ma'am drawing. Okay, then you guess and tell me what is it. Now, number 1, where my number 1 is, I will go to the bottom of my number 1 and I'm going to make a sleeping line first,
Like L.
then curve and get it down like this.
You, ma'am.
And
Ma'am, it's a chair.
the chair. Oh, okay. It looks like a chair right now. Very good. What other people imagine? What are the other children imagining? What this can?
Ma'am, still I didn't understand it. Is it a giraffe?
Giraffe. Who said giraffe?
Me, Sahana.
Hana is very good at imagining correct things. Very good, Sahana. Let's clap for her. We are going to turn this into a giraffe. Very good. So now from here,
Ma'am, I also.
Gauri.
She said.
Yeah, Gauri also said that. So this and this we have to make, and then a small tiny.
I got it. Correct.
Yeah, you got it correct, Sahana. Very good. And very neatly and very slowly you have to draw. Okay. After this, make this line, small line. And then again, 1 and 2. 2 slanting lines. And again, this small circle. Okay. Then we are going to make the face of giraffe. So
Yeah.
we are going to extend it like this, make a curve and come near here. Don't join, just come over here. And then just go down and make the long neck of giraffe. Giraffe has the tallest neck.
In the world.
Yeah. And
No. Extinct animals means dinosaurs.
yeah, those are extinct animals. No. And make this sleeping line and then make 2 more legs. Okay, now how can you, what is the missing part? The tail is missing, so let's draw the tail. Giraffe
And the eyes.
have very eyes and everything we will draw. The patches also, the patches which giraffe has on the neck and the body. This is how you have to give the look of a giraffe. Later you can fill these patches black. Okay, I just started doing it right now only. You can just draw these kind of patches and then later you can fill black into it when you will start tracing your drawings. Okay.
And I don't do the filling black in when I'm tracing.
Yes, Sahana, you can always do that. Okay. And very, very neatly, bache. It should be done very neatly. Neatness is the main USP of your drawings. This is the main thing. Neatness.
And what means USP?
USP is the special thing about drawing, okay? The important thing.
What's the important thing?
Neatness, doing it neatly. Okay, so make a curve over here and then make two
Mouth.
nostrils
It's nose.
and the eyes, and you can make a smile also. The giraffe is smiling, looking at owls, up like that. Okay.
Ma'am.
Yeah, bache. And the ears also. You can make 1 and 2 small leaf kind of.
Ma'am, do you speak Hindi? Ma'am.
Yes, Gauri, I speak Hindi. You understand?
Yeah, then what is your mother tongue?
My mother tongue is Punjabi. Balle balle.
Gujarat?
No, I'm from Punjab, no? Basically Punjabi.
Actually, my friend's mother tongue is Gujarati.
All right. So now, yes.
Because you say every time bache, bache, bache. Ma'am, my cousin gave me a paper to draw I have a giraffe in that paper. We want to color it. All the my cousins, all cousins had that.
Okay. Good.
So
Yeah.
when we draw my one cousin and me draw the giraffe nose as red.
Okay.
How can the giraffe nose be like red?
Yeah, imagination can lead to anything. Okay, now let's go to number 2. 0 is done, 1 is done. Okay.
I
So-
want to 1 minute, ma'am. I'm coloring the.
No, coloring we will do later. You have to follow the drawing part first. Okay. So let's go.
Ma'am, I'm just filling the dots.
Yeah, that you can also do later, beta. I did it right now. I told you that while tracing, you can do that.
I also did it. No.
Okay, sure. So let's go to number 2 now, and let's see what are we turning number 2 into. So now,
Draw a bird. We can draw a bird with 2, right? Swan. Ma'am.
we are going to turn it into a swan. Okay. So swan or duck. Number 2, basically we can turn them into swans and ducks very easily. Yes, Prithvi?
And birds also, ma'am.
Yes, bird. Yes.
I want to
Siddharth,
know how to do
one
that.
second. Listen, children, if you'll keep talking in between, no, then we will not be able to finish our drawing. So last 10 minutes we will talk, okay? But let ma'am make you draw first, and then I will
And
ask.
this is last 10 minutes.
Yeah, last 10 minutes we will talk a lot, okay, all of us.
This is the last 10 minutes.
So not last 10 minutes.
Then is it till 8:30?
It can go up till 8:30 if you will keep talking like this. So let's draw, okay? All right. So let's go to number 2 and let's make the beak first. So we will go to the starting point and we'll make a curve like this. Small curve. It will go up and it will go back. Okay?
Are you drawing a swan?
Yeah. And then let's make,
Snow itself like a swan.
yes, and the face will curve upward, and then along with this line keep moving by maintaining the gap. Okay, and just go below and this.
Ma'am, I learned how to draw a swan in first grade.
Yeah, it's very easy. So I have left a little gap. Did you notice that there is a gap? I haven't closed it. So with this gap, you have to make another curve like this, come inside and then make a few more. 1, 2, and 3. This is a swan and the eyes, 1 eye only. So number 2, we had made a swan and it took us less than half a minute also to, now see, where is number 0?
Ma'am, because we weren't talking.
Yeah, because we weren't talking, yes. Now let's go
Ma'am?
to number 3. Yes, Bhairav?
Ma'am, my swan just look like a duck, ma'am.
Okay, no problems. That's fine. Let's go to number 3. Now, number 3, we are going to turn into a...
Butterfly.
Yeah, very good. Also, number 3, this can be the wing And I just started from here and I just made this U shape. Okay, and then I will make another mirror 3.
Ma'am, you have to not keep that much space between those wings, ma'am. You have to just give some little space here.
That is up to you, bache. That is up to you, beta. If you want to keep less space, you can keep less. You can make some.
Ma'am, can I make something inside?
See, we are making these lines inside now. We are making.
Not that, ma'am. I'm saying in the wings.
Yeah, in the wings, you can make any design. See, I always tell you to do things as per your imagination. You can always do whatever you want to do. Okay, you can make polka dots, you can make some stripes or anything. Show your creativity. I don't have space to draw antennas, but please you draw antennas also.
Antennas means
Right? The butterflies, those two antennas which it has, and you can make some. Even you can do it later with colors directly. You can use some colors, right? And you can make dots with different colors like red.
I even have no space to put the antennas.
Yeah, no worries.
I don't.
That's the butterfly. Make this little sting over here.
And then it is 4.
So let's go to number 4 now. Number 4, we are going to make, what are we going to make with number 4? We are going to make a, no, let's see, what are we going to make? So with number
Ma'am,
4,
is it a fish?
No, not a fish. So let's go up.
I'm just saying that.
Let's just join this and this part of 4, okay? Make it pointy. I just joined this and
Are
this.
we making a monkey?
No, not a monkey.
We're making a fish. Ma'am, umbrella.
No, not an umbrella. Make a dot over here.
Ma'am, what?
Ishita, what? Let's draw a little bit, then you will understand what is it, okay? And then
Is it a frog?
no, not a frog even.
Then
Make
a-
these 2 curves over here. Any guesses now?
It's a mouse.
No. Yeah, it looks like a mouse, but no, it's not.
Swan. Not swan, sorry, flamingo.
Let's draw a little more, then you will know what is it. So make a curve. Okay.
Before I do that.
Go up.
Hen.
Yeah, very good. It's a chicken. It's a hen. So that would be.
Oh, sorry, ma'am. I didn't say I was drawing that.
And I. And from here, go up and just turn. Touch over here. A small chicken. This is the wood inside.
Cluck. It's very clucky, no?
Cluck, cluck. Cute little hen. Cute little hen. Okay, the numbers have gone away. Nobody would be able to know that you have drawn these using numbers. No, isn't it a great trick?
Ma'am,
Yes, beta.
ma'am, my cousin draw birds with mango.
With mango. Okay, so
He first draw a man. 1
No.
minute, ma'am. I'm still drawing it.
oh, you're still trying it. Okay, let's wait for a few seconds. Then we will go to number 5, and then we will go to number 6, 7, and 8.
Yeah, ma'am.
I
I'm done.
have no space for number 9, but I can show you on the next screen with number 9 also. What can you draw? Let's go now. Can we go to number 5? So let's see, what are we turning number 5 into? Let's make a circle. Okay, 1 second. Make a small one. Okay, not such a very big one. So maybe we can draw a standing line over here.
Ma'am, I didn't see my videos of.
A standing line, near this standing line, another standing line, and then you have to turn it into a circle like this.
Ma'am, can I guess what it
Yeah.
is?
Everybody can guess.
It's
Let's
like
make
a
a
little bit of duck, ma'am. It's a duck.
It's a
Ma'am,
duck.
it's a duck only, ma'am.
Now see, what is the difference between a duck and a swan? The beak is different, the body shape is different. Okay.
Chicken.
The chicken. So we how many birds we have drawn?
3 birds. 2, 3. 4.
Owl is also a bird. Hen.
4.
4 birds. Using our numbers, we had made 4
Bird.
birds. Okay.
It's a duck. Ma'am, then what are we gonna do with 6, ma'am?
Okay, let's see. What are we going to do with 6? So the duck is also done. Even for the duck, you can make a fluffy tail at the back. Okay.
Ma'am, ducks are very fluffy.
Mm. And 5
see
now 5 is
swans,
also hidden. Now 5 is also hidden. Now let's go to number 6.
I can't see 5, ma'am. Yeah.
This was number 5 from which
Yeah.
we
I got it. Where is 5?
now number
I got
6.
it.
Number 6 is
Fluffy little
also,
tail.
let's guess what is number 6. So here you have to make a tiny circle at the beginning of number 6. Then you make one more curved line from here and make another tiny circle. Okay, do this.
Ma'am,
one.
are we drawing an ant or something like an insect?
Correct guess. This is an ant. We are going to draw an
Yes.
ant. And then,
Ma'am, this is Gauri who guessed it.
yeah, I can see that, Gauri. Okay, now this is the face and the antennas of the ant. And let's just draw a small oval over here. Okay, and again a curve, and then there has to be little pointy corner at the back. Okay, and then this. Because ants, they have a body like this, no? So number 6 is also gone. Nobody would guess if you will not tell
Ma'am,
anyone.
it's a bee.
Yeah, it's an ant, bache.
But how can it be an ant, ma'am?
Ants are like this only, Gauri.
Oh, I don't know. I never
Ants
saw
can be
them
drawn.
that much.
Ah, you have to see. Okay, so this,
Ma'am, we can draw a bee also.
yeah, B can also be drawn with number 6. And even with the number 0, 1, 2, more things can be drawn. So see
Ma'am,
now,
2 we can draw a bird.
yeah. So number 6 is also gone. Okay, now see. Now we don't see any numbers except we see 7 and 8. Once we finish 7 and 8 and you show this picture,
Also, we can't see it.
nobody will be able to guess that where are the numbers gone. Are you
I
serious?
can't see the number 0 or 1. I can't see anything. I will also see
Can
the
see. Nobody can see. Okay, so now number 7 is here. Let's go to number 7. Is everybody done? Let me ask everyone. First
Yes,
is
ma'am. I'm done.
Yan done. Is Prithvi done? Ishita, Bhairav, and Sahana done? Okay, great.
Yes, ma'am.
Let's go to number 7. And number 7, we have to extend this line a little bit towards forward. Make a tail over here. Which animal are we making?
Lion.
No, not a lion. Make
A monkey. Lion, a cow.
actually you can turn this into any animal. I am going to make it into a cow. If you want lion, draw it like a lion. If you want, yeah,
Ma'am, I have same cow, ma'am.
same cow. Okay, let's make the ears. Okay, and the horns. So see, try to make these all equal size, and neat work is very, very important to do. And drawings are, you should always love your drawings, whatever drawings you do, whatever work you do.
I like every drawing that I make.
You should do it with much love, and you should take care of your drawings, and you should preserve
Ma'am,
them.
my friend, she sticks the drawings on the wall. Whatever
Yeah,
she
you
makes.
can get them framed and put them in your room. You can keep changing them. Okay, and this is the face of a cow, and let's make the legs now. Very easy. This and this and this. Okay, now the way we had made patches on the giraffe's body, you can also show some of them on the cows, because cows also have these kind of shapes on the body, right? And there is number 8, which is on the right corner of my sheet. With number 8, we can draw. Can we go to number 8? I have already started. Just let me know.
हाँ तो
Yeah, we can. Yeah, by mistake.
Okay, beta. So now with number 8, around number 8, the first circle, you have to make another this. Okay. Eyes over here. What is this now?
No, ma'am. We'll get guessing it.
Teddy
Teddy
bear.
bear.
It's a
A
teddy
teddy bear.
bear. Yeah.
Ma'am, teddy bear.
Yes, it's a teddy bear. Okay. And then from here you make the arm. Another one. Now that's why I was telling you to write your numbers away from each other, so that whenever you finish your drawing, it should not look very close and cluttered and untidy.
Ma'am, for me it's like that.
That's why I was telling you to make it
Ma'am,
far.
it's so far, but I drew the numbers a little bit big.
No problems, that's fine. That means your pictures were supposed to be a little bigger. Okay. Now where are the numbers gone? Numbers are all gone. Nobody would even be able to guess. Only you know. And I. Okay, so now giving it a little background, because these are all animals are there, so we can think of a background accordingly. Maybe it's a farm, or it's a place where these animals and bugs are having a party. Owl is on a tree. So how can you draw a tree? A tree's branch. Just like this, you can show that the owl is on the tree's branch, and the tree is just in the corner of the paper. Like this. You don't have to show a big huge tree. We can just draw a small tree also like this. See, I had made a branch and my owl is sitting over there. Okay, now near the tree can be a pond where this swan is swimming, right? And this giraffe is trying to eat leaves from the tree. Make some leaves around. Okay, now see, this is my imagination. I imagine this way. You can imagine any other way, and you can draw some other kind of tree or something other than this. Okay, now this hen is eating some grains. So you can draw some grains over here. Even this duck. And the ant is trying to climb up on a hill. So this can be a hill.
Show how I ma'am, we did not like actually, ma'am, behind the cow I just drew like this, ma'am.
Yeah, that's okay. That's fine. That's fine. You can draw this also. Sorry, you have to erase it from my screen. Okay, thanks. And there, this cow is on a hill. I mean, maybe just like this. I am drawing a hill.
Ma'am,
okay. Two more.
Ma'am, we did not draw lion.
So if you want, you can draw a lion also. But because it is looking very cluttered, I have not drawn anything else. Okay, so
That's not lion.
This is the only background that I will make. I will not make anything else, because already there are a lot of things into the drawing. Okay? So that's it. Now I've given a little background also, and I have made some hills. You can make a sun if you have more space, and you can make something for the duck also to eat. The bear is also, bear looks little upset or something. You can write a
Ma'am, where is the bear? Oh, the teddy bear.
The teddy bear, bache, the teddy bear. The teddy bear can be a toy teddy bear, maybe. Okay, so anything. It's your imagination. You can always share your imagination with me. Once you all have drawn, you have to trace your drawings.
That's why I'm tracing it, ma'am.
Tracing with black sketch pen, slowly moving around your black sketch pen around your drawing everywhere. If you do not have your black sketch pens, then you have to arrange it. Every time we use black sketch pens in our classes. Okay, and then we can start filling colors into your drawing.
Finish drawing, ma'am. Ma'am.
Yes, Vian.
Ma'am, I was doing something else, ma'am. Can you just I was doing another drawing. I was a bit late for the teddy. Can you just teach me again?
Teddy out of number 8.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so this is how we did it. Number 8. This is number 8. Okay. So we had made another this curve over the first, this one, and then we had made eyes,
Excuse me.
and then we had made the mouth of the teddy. Okay, ears, and then we had made after
Excuse me, ma'am.
Hanji, I'll go back to that screen, beta. Just
Not
once.
that, ma'am.
Yes.
Actually, I might not do the green color because there is so much of it to do.
No problems. I always tell you it's always your wish. However you want to choose your colors is your wish. Okay. Okay, Vian, you have seen the teddy?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
ma'am.
So now here we are back to our drawing, and the coloring is, now listen to the coloring part.
Can I do it myself, the coloring?
Yeah, you can do your coloring according to your own knowledge, according to your own color choice, but you have to be very wise and you have to be very careful when you choose your colors. Okay.
Yeah.
So this is a very bright drawing.
Ma'am, but for
Very
the
bright
owl, I
colors.
can't understand what to do.
Owl, see, imagination goes can be anywhere. Owls can be pink also. Owls can be green also. Owls can be anything. These are all cartoon pictures. That
Ma'am, Vivar is telling that, ma'am, can you draw the light? Mama, that color.
wants to draw what?
We can unmute, right?
Okay, Bhairav wants me to tell number 9, huh? So okay, Bhairav, number 9, I had thought of making a dino with number 9 actually. So when you draw number 9, we can turn this into a dino. So Bhairav, you have a good space for it.
Yeah.
You have to make another standing line over here. We can make some.
Ma'am, should I draw a big 9?
Yeah, you can make a big 9 as per whatever space you have, according to that. Okay, make the tummy, dino's tummy, the eyes, okay, the nostrils and the smile, and the tail here, and legs. And this can be one arm, hand, and this can be another one. So this is how we can turn number 9 into a dino. Okay, all right. Those who want to draw a dino can also do this. Even these scales of the body can be extended a little bit on the head as well, like this. And on the tail also. You can go up till the tail. All right. So now trace everybody. Trace your drawing.
Ma'am, in the last 10 minutes, you said we can talk.
Yeah, now we can start talking. Okay, and I will start coloring and you can just, and Gauri was actually talking all the way through the class.
Yeah.
Gauri says, yeah. Okay, so when we color, we should always start from one place from the top and then we should go to the bottom. Now the coloring is something that I don't always tell you to finish it there and then in the class only. You can always do it later also. I understand. Okay, that you have drawn a lot and a lot of coloring, then you feel tired. So you can do it tomorrow and share it with me later also, but you should always see how is ma'am coloring, okay, and pay attention. So I will start coloring from the tree. I will start from the left too, and then I'll go to the right because I don't want to touch the colored part again and again. So this is my tree. Okay, leaves. So why do we trace our pictures first? So that we see our boundaries very, very clearly and we do not go out of the boundaries, right? So this is the tree and this is the tree's branch. I'm going with black and moving with my color very, very slowly. You will also do it slowly. You don't do scribbling. When you move your hand very fast, it is called scribbling. So we will not do scribbling, we will do coloring. So coloring is done slowly, patiently, and you should always look into your drawings and you should concentrate. You should not talk when you are drawing and coloring. Okay, bache?
Ma'am, I send you some drawings today.
Yeah, I received your drawings today, Shitan. And believe me, I loved each drawing of yours. So beautifully you have drawn. And this is the pond. Let's color the pond now. Swan can remain white only because they are white. You can just color the beak red or orange if you want.
I'll color it yellow.
Yeah, you can even color a little yellowish. Okay.
Ma'am, I'm done with tracing now.
Yeah, so you can start coloring now.
Can I show you once?
Yes, please show me. Very nice. Good. Very good, Gauri. Nice. Neatly done. Okay, so now I will be coloring my giraffe with my yellow color.
Yellow color for giraffe.
And giraffe is also done. Okay, now let's go to the cow. Now I imagine that my cow,
Owl.
yeah, owl also. I imagine that my owl is pink. I am going to color it pink, the cute owl. And I can imagine that my cow is orange. So here I fill this little orange peach shade into my cow. Okay, very, very slowly. Think before choosing colors.
Don't have that color, ma'am.
Right,
Can
and
I just keep peach?
yeah, you can. So the face and the horns, I will color horns with black. Okay.
Ma'am, you didn't color the tail of giraffe.
Yeah, I'll do it, बच्चे. मैं करूँगी उसे भी.
Okay.
And the patches will be black.
Ma'am, owls will be red also.
Yeah, you can imagine the owl is red. Imagination can be anything. Even the sky can be pink. Actually, there are different colors in the sky also. If you observe sky at different timings in the evening, you will see different colors. In
In
the
orange, we will see orange.
yeah, so you should always think creatively that skies are not always blue. So think creatively, okay? Think
No, skies are always blue.
yeah, we used to color sky always blue, but we can also color it pink, peach, purple. Okay. So butterflies are always colorful. So my butterfly is purple color. You can use 2 colors for your butterfly, 3 colors for your butterfly. Depends upon your choice. Okay. Butterfly is also done. And the ant. My ant is also colorful. So let me color
Colorful ant won't be colorful.
red and black.
The ants won't be colorful, right, ma'am?
See, I am saying that. Imagine what is drawing. Imagination. Okay. We are not drawing real ant and real owls. These are all imaginary animal, our friends and creatures that we are creating. Okay. So
it won't be a real like a real hen like that.
yeah, yes. Okay, so be as wide. Your imagination should be very wide. You should imagine things.
Ma'am, can I color? You said imagine, right?
Yeah, and I'm coloring my bear brown only. But if you want to imagine it in any other color, you can do that also.
Because ma'am, our teacher, it is Usha, ma'am, for us in the pre-plan. Ma'am,
Yeah.
in our school there is Usha, ma'am. She always tell to do the particular color that she says. That's why.
Really? So you can tell your ma'am that ma'am, to be imaginative is always good.
Okay, ma'am. Sometimes only she says that. You can
I'm
imagine.
just imagining. No, haven't you seen cartoons, Gauri? Do you see cartoons?
Yeah, I saw.
Yeah. So in cartoons, we always see that animals are little different with small bodies and big faces and different colors, right?
Yeah, always wear other colors.
Yeah, so we can imagine things, okay? And we always know that real animals, what color they are. We are not denying that, but we are trying to be little imaginative and creative here. Okay, so the sky, now see, this part is the sky. So my sky is blue, and even you can fill any other shade. But see, now there's another thing that you have to see before when you color, that whatever color you have already used, don't use it again for the big area. Okay. So
That
background.
means for the pond I use blue. Can I
Yeah,
use
so
blue for the sky?
yeah, because pond and sky are very far away. They are not near. So if they would have been near, then you should have used
The,
different shades
the
of.
dinosaur, I'm gonna color it as green, but the grass is also green. It's very near to it.
So then use two different shades of green, one light, one dark.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, so that it's visible. Okay. So this is how move your color in one direction and you are coloring.
Ma'am, after it, can all of us show?
Yeah, then I will see what have you done so far. And then I have not used green below.
Hi, ma'am.
I haven't used green anywhere, right? So I will color the hills and the ground green. All these, this part, green is above on the tree only. So I can color this background all green. And the ears of the giraffe is left. I'll just color that also. And once I'm done, yeah, once I'm done with my coloring, one by one, I will see what you all have done today.
Done tracing.
Very good, Prithvi. Now you can,
I went to coloring already.
very good. And slowly, no scribbling. I know that I can finish coloring quickly because I have it digitally on my in my system. No, you will take time. So there is no rush to finish it there and then right now in the class. Be very slow. You can always retouch it. You can always start tomorrow again with the coloring part. But there is one thing which I always tell you, that do not leave your drawings incomplete. Okay, you should always finish them whenever you get time. You should always pick them up, start filling colors into them with love, with care, and finish them.
Actually, ma'am, the first drawing, that means what the girl and the boy, actually I have it now, but I didn't do the colors. That's why I wasn't showing.
Sorry, you should have done it now. It's been long we have done that drawing. This is what I always say.
I didn't have time. I had to study all the time and go
Some
to
time
tennis
for your
and
drawings
do
now.
all of this.
Some time. We should always take out time for things. Okay.
I was writing and I didn't have time.
Now see, how is it looking? Where are the numbers gone? Can anybody know? Where the numbers?
Ma'am, yes.
All hidden and gone. So this is so much fun making your drawings with numbers, letters also. You can make drawings with letters also. You can make drawings with words also.
Letters also, I didn't know we could do it
Yeah, with letters also. Sometime I'll tell you with different letters what all drawings can we make. Okay, we'll do a class with the letters as well.
In the next, in the next Thursday, will you?
Yeah, you will be on Thursday. Okay. So have we all started with coloring, or we are on tracing, all of us?
Coloring for me, ma'am.
Gauri is coloring. And now I am done with my drawing. Just this little part is left. See, created my background also.
Then what should you color the swan's beak and the
Orange.
ears and the tail?
Can use orange for the swan's beak. Even orange or red can be done. And for the giraffes, this part can be black.
You said everything is done.
Yeah, everything is done. Okay, and in the end, you should always give a finishing touch to your drawings once you are finished your coloring. Wherever there is a white spot you see, color it. Okay, now
Yeah, you always leave white.
I see what all you have drawn. Look at the drawing now. It's look so bright and colorful and nice. Now, one by one, I would like to see what all you have done so far. So I'll start with Sahana. Yes, Sahana, show me. Wow, Sahana, beautiful. Your ant is on the duck. Okay, very cute, very cute. Let's go to Ishita. Ishita, show me. Very cute, Ishita. This is looking awesome. Very nice. Let's go to Prithvi. Yes, Prithvi, show me. Okay, Prithvi also started coloring and tracing is done. Ant is on the hill. Very nice, Prithvi. Let's go to Bhairav. Yes, Bhairav. Wow, Bhairav, very nice. You have drawn big pictures this time. Very good, very nice. Let's go to Gauri. Gauri, lift up your drawing, show it to everyone. Yeah, got little stuck actually in between. Your camera is stuck a little, Gauri. Okay. Yeah, now I can see that. Very good, Gauri. Almost the coloring part is also done. It's looking beautiful. Very nice. Good job. So let's go to Vian. Yes, Vian, show us your drawing. What have you done? Vian is tracing, I guess. Show us, Vian. Oh, nice, Vian. You have a good hand at drawing. Very nice. Let's clap for everybody. Oh, we left now. Prithvi, we have seen, right? So everybody we have seen. Very good. Let's clap. Let's give a big hand to all the artists. Wonderful. Complete your drawings. Share it with me. I'm going to wait. I'm going to wait for your pictures in my phone. Okay.
Okay,
I'll meet you
ma'am.
in the next class. Thank you.
Bye.
Bye. Thank
Bye,
you.
ma'am.
Bye
See-
bye.
Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Bye.
10 minutes was
Thank you. Bye.